Hi, Arya from this side. So this is the web application which I built using Streamlit that helps users extract data from the images of receipts or bills and organize them with the help of folder structures. So with that, let's create a new folder first. So I'll go to the stored receipts, and then we can already see that there's a folder named food, and we have already put data into it, which is this one. And let's create a new one named groceries. So I'll create the folder. So we can see the new folder named groceries is created. So let's add the data into it by clicking on this receipt processing application. I'll click on the browse files button and I'll upload the image. I'll go to the directory, and within the directory itself you will find uh, like directory named images. So I'll click on that and I'll upload image 1. First of all, the data will, the image will get cropped by using object detection, because for camera images, there are a lot of other things going on in the image. So first of all, we have to segregate the amount of the image which contains the bill itself or the receipt itself. So as you can see, the YOLO V8 model has successfully extracted the portion of image which contains the receipt. So yeah, the data has been extracted, which I think is very proper. But I think there's a issue with the name, store name. So it's Real Seafood Company. I'll just write Real Seafood, and then I'll select the folder as groceries and I'll click on save. So this new data will be saved into the folder named groceries. So one will be within the food and one data will be within the groceries. It says data saved successfully, which means that the data which we have just seen is being uploaded to the MongoDB database. And right now, if we click on the stored receipts, it will show us both of the receipts in the separate folders. We can see both of our receipts are organized properly. So this is the groceries folder, and within that, this is the receipt. And I've also shown the images and I've stored them within the Cloudinary database. So I've used Cloudinary for storing the images and assets. So yeah, let's close this. So I've added another feature named Analyze, which helps us ask questions related to the database or the data which we have uploaded. So what I did was I extracted the crucial information where every data point is an item, and the data point also contains the store name, the folder which it is saved, and also a lot of other information just like the price and everything else. So we can also categorize whether the data is from the grocery category or the food category, or maybe it can be both as well. So for now we have kept it separate for better understanding. So we might ask, what is the total amount of items present in groceries and food separately? So let us ask the question. I'll click on ask. So it says the total items in groceries is 10 and the food is 10 as well. So let's validate whether it's right or wrong. I'll go to Finder and then I'll go to CSV data, where I have the entire like the data points in CSV format. So as we can see, the food is 10, which is 1 2 which is 2 2 I guess 11, which is 11 minus 2 plus 1, which is 10, and 21 minus 12 plus 1, which is also 10. So yeah, both of them are right. So yeah, regarding the tech stack, I've used YOLO V8 for the object detection and cropping the entire image. After that, I've used this model, which is this one from Hugging Face, donut receipts extract, and yeah, to extract the JSON data. And I've also used MongoDB. So this is a database which contains folders. Let me refresh it. It contains food and groceries, and the receipts will be two as well. Let me refresh this, and the folder name is groceries and food respectively. So yeah, this is it. And apart from this, I've also used Cloudinary for storing the images. And for that, so as you can see, the image URL is in this format provided by Cloudinary. And for the analysis feature, I've developed a RAG pipeline, as well as I've used Pandas AI. So in this case, I'm using Pandas AI because it can also plot graphs, which can be shown in the web app depending on the use cases. So yeah, for that I've used Bamboo LLM from Pandas AI as well. So yeah, let me show you the code for 1 second. This is the source, and there's the CSV RAG where I've used Beyond LLM, which further uses Llama Index in the backend, and it can use advanced retrievers and a lot of other things. Right now I've used advanced retriever, but the type is cross VLang. And yeah, so what it does is it saves into a default database, a vector database provided by Llama Index, and then it extracts the information with the help of cross rerank, which means it extracts the information and then it re-ranks the amount of the information based on the relevance of the search query. So yeah, I have not used this one though. I have used this analyze csv.py. So what it does is I imported Pandas AI, and with the help of Bamboo LLM and the API key provided by Pandas AI. So I've used the smart data frame provided by the Pandas AI feature, and also the LLM. I've defined it and passed it in the smart data frame, and then I'm using df.chat function, which also helps me create or make graphs and bar charts and line plots as well. So yeah, we can use that in the future, and also in the future we can create a vendor feature where we can help small businesses to give discounts or offers to certain class of users based on their purchase history and all. So this can be done also while maintaining the anonymity of the users, which we can use by which we can achieve by uh, database views. And yeah, for that's mostly for the user privacy, so that can be done. And we can also use a separate model for creating the storing the certain uh, receipt into a certain folder. For example, the if the receipt contains sugar, uh, all those things, it will go into groceries by itself. And if it contains scallops and chicken and those things, then it will go into food. So we can do that as well. So yeah, that's my project, and thank you for your time.